Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to solve problems on design of V-belt drive. Actually, V-belt drive are one type of flexible connector for transmitting power from one pulley to another pulley, whose center distance is approximately 3 meter, that is shorter than the center distance compared with the flat belt. Their cross-section is trapezoidal. The belt are operated on grooves pulling. The power transmitted between the belt and a pulley is expressed as the product of difference of tension and the belt velocity of the belt. P is equal to T1 minus T2 into V. That is the same as we have already used for the flat belt. When T1 and T2 over the tension in the tight side as well as on the slack side of the belt. Then the tension ratio is for V belt T1 by T2 is equal to e power mu theta into or 1 by sine alpha by 2. Here alpha is nothing but half of the angle of the V groove. Then the types of V belt, they are classified into various grades based on their power transmitting capacities such as A, B, C, D and E. The cross sections areas are increased from the order from A to E. The various the V belt are designed based on the fundamental formula, manufacturing catalog and the pitch length of the belt. From the by using the manufacturing catalogs, we first find out the amount of power design power. So based on the power to be transmitted, we can select the types of belt, then calculate the design power. Here the design power is equal to rated power into service factor, whole thing divided by the arc of contact factor into pitch length factor. Whereas in the flat belt, it is only the product of rated power service factor into arc of contact factor. For V belt, here we have consider one more factor is pitch length factor due to its trapezoidal cross sections, and here we preferred wider thicker belt than compared with the width of the belt. Here another thing, pitch length and also inside length. Then determine the belt rating, then design number of belt, that is equal to design power by belt rating. This is actually equal to the belt width for in the case of a flat belt. Here it is used to find out the number of belt instead of the belt width. Then the correct center distance and also determine the parameter for V groove pulleys using the data book. So by using the PSC data books, from the page number 7.58, we can able to observe different types of belt from A to E. So based on the applications of power, so from 0.75 to 190 kilowatts. Similarly, it specify the nominal top width of the belt, nominal thickness of the belt, as well as the weight per meter of the belt. So from this data page number, we can select the types of belt based on the power available. Then the belt rating. So from the tension, we can actually find out the belt rating, or we can straight away find out the belt rating of the power by using this formula. Different types of, based on the type selection of the belt, we can select the formulas, and then each notations can be find out by using the tables. Page number 7.60 shows the nominal pitch length and the pitch length factor. Here actually based on we already calculated the length of the belt. So from this we first standardize the length based on the types of the belt, either B belt, C belt or C belt, whatever it is. We first standardize the length of the pitch length of the belt, then we correspondingly select the standard length of the belt, then we select the corresponding pitch length factor from this page. Here actually pitch length correction factors and another dimensions here. This formula is actually used to find out the number of belt. Then it's actually a single pulley, V grooved pulleys. Here we have a more number of, we can arrange more number of belt, V belt. With this, Now let's see the problems on design of V-belt. Here the power of 60 kilowatt at 750 RPM is to be transmitted from an electric motor to compressor shaft. So here the electric motor is driver member and the compressor is a driven member at 300 RPM by V-belt. The approximate larger pulley dia is 1500 mm. The approximate center distance is 1650 mm and given a complete design of the belt drive. A belt with a cross-section area of 350 mm square and the density 1000 kg per meter cube. So the cross-section area of the belt and density of the V belt as given in the problem and having the allowable tensile strength sigma T is equal to 2 megapascal is also available for use. Then the coefficient of friction between the belt and the pulley may be taken as 0.28. The driven pulley is overhang factors to be taken as 1.5. Here, from the questions, we can understand that the allowable tensile strength and the coefficient of friction as given in this problem. So, based on this given data, we can understood that this problem going to be solved by using the fundamental equations. That means tension ratios and the difference in the tensions instead of the belt rating using the data book. Okay. So the given data are observed from the questions. Power P is equal to 60 kilowatt, motor speed that is small n equal to 750 rpm, compressor speed capital N 300 rpm, larger pulley diameter, center distance, overhang factor, then cross-sectional area, density of the belt, and tensile strength, then the coefficient of frictions. Okay, let's solve the problem. First, select the type of V belt based on the power. Here the power is 60 kilowatt. So from this page number 7.58 for 60 kilowatt, that is we can choose C types of belt. That is it's able to applicable from 7.5 to 75 kilowatt. So we can straight away select the C type of belt. And then design power that is equal to rated power into surface factor by arc of contact factor into belt pitch length factor. We know already the rated power is nothing but the given power. Then the service factor in the given data we already discussed the overhanging factor that is called the service factor. So the service factor is 1.5 and the rated power we know. Here we have to find out the angle of contact, then belt pitch length factor. Angle of contact factor, then pitch length. For that we first find out the arc of contact theta and then the respective factors. Similarly, first we find out the pitch length of the belt, then pitch length factor. Then the number of belt is equal to design power by belt rating. So first we have to find out the arc of contact. So from the PSC data book we can straight away take in the formula such as 180 minus capital D minus small d by C into 60. From this we know capital D center distance small c. Here the unknown value is small d. So we know already the speed ratio smaller n by capital N equal to capital D by small d. So by using this relation we can find out the small d, that is the diameter of the driver, equal to 600 mm. So by using these data we can find out theta is equal to 148. So next from the page number PL 7.68 we can find out for theta is equal to 148 the arc of contact factor is 0.92 by using the interpolation formula, or approximately select as 0.92. Then the pitch length of the belt. From the data page number 7.61, we can straight away note it down the formula L is equal to 2c plus pi by 2 of capital D plus small d plus capital D minus small d the whole square by 4c. From in this equation we already know all the variables, so we can straight away calculate it. L as we can find out 6723 mm. This is actually not standard length, so we have to standardize this length from the page number 7.60 for 6723 mm. The standard variable length is 6863 mm. So the corresponding standard length, the corresponding inside length is 6807, and then the corresponding correction factor is 1.14. So the design power is equal to 60, that is the rated power into service factor by arc of contact factor into pitch length factors. So from this we can find it, design power we can find it as 86 kilowatt. Then belt rating. Here actually we have tension relations, then coefficient of friction. So we can straight away using this formula, tension, difference in tension and tension ratios. Suppose the tension related values are not given in the problem, means we go with this page number 7.62, then we can find out the formula for the C belt. So by using this formula you can find out the values of belt rating. But in this problem we straight away use the tensions. So capital P is equal to T1 minus T2 into V. So V is equal to velocity of the belt drive. By using the formula pi d n by 60, we can find it as V is equal to 23.66 meter per second. We know already here the velocity is actually greater than the 10 meter per second. So we should consider the effect of centrifugal tensions along with the tensions. So the centrifugal tension is nothing but Tc is equal to mv square. We already know the mass of the belt formula, that is m is equal to area into length into velocity. So the area, cross-sectional area of the belt already given in the problem, and density of the belt is also given in the problem. So per meter length we can use. So the mass of the belt is 0.35 kg per meter, or we can straight away find out from the design data book at page number 7.8 where we have selected the types of belt based on the power. We can also selected the weight of the belt per meter length, that is 0.343 kg. Either we can use from the table, or by using this formula you can find out the mass of the belt. Then the velocity of the belt we have already predicted. Now the centrifugal tension is equal to 196 Newton. Now the tensile stress, that is a simple stress formula. Stress is equal to load by area. Here the load is nothing but the tension. So the maximum tension. So the tension by the area is equal to the maximum tension. So from this the maximum tension is equal to stress into area. The maximum tension means the total tension acting on the tight side. So T, actually capital T, total tension T is equal to T1 plus Tc. So from this we can find out that T1 is equal to, that is tension on the tight side, is equal to total tension on the tight side minus centrifugal tensions. So from this we can find it as T1 as 504 Newton. Similarly, by using the tension ratio relation, T1 by T2 is equal to e power mu theta into cosecant beta. Beta is nothing but the half of the V groove angle, and theta is the arc of contact, but here we should use in the radian. So for this the formula is theta into pi by 180. By using these relations, theta is equal to 2.6 in radian. Similarly, 2b is equal to, we can assume to between 35 to 40. Here we assumed beta is equal to 17.5. So from this relation we can find out T is equal to 44.7. Then the power is equal to 10.86 Newton. Then the number of belt is equal to design power by belt rating. So from this the number of belt is 8 belt. So similarly, width of the belt from the page number 7.70, by using the relation, this relation, we can find out the belt of the pulley. B is equal to 196 mm since it's going to accompany 8 numbers of V belt on it. So from this problem, we can find out all this data